The dream of earning without investing. Want to make money online without any investment? Sounds too good to be true, right? Actually, it's possible with affiliate marketing. It's a real way to earn passive income, and the best part? You can start for free. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Unlocking affiliate marketing, your path to online income. Affiliate marketing is like being a friendly online salesperson. You recommend products you love to your audience. When someone buys through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You're essentially getting a cut for bringing in a customer. Imagine recommending your favorite headphones to a friend. Now imagine getting paid for it because you shared a special link. That's the power of affiliate marketing. You're leveraging your influence and passion to earn money online. By sharing products you genuinely believe in, you build trust with your audience. This trust translates into sales, and those sales turn into your income. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. So start your journey today and see how affiliate marketing can transform your online presence into a profitable venture. Launching your affiliate journey. No money, no problem. Starting your affiliate marketing journey for free is easier than you think. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. Love technology? Great. Enjoy cooking? Perfect. Focus on a specific area to attract a targeted audience. Next, sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are popular platforms with diverse products. Once you're approved, you'll get unique affiliate links for each product you want to promote. Mastering the art of free affiliate marketing is a game changer for anyone looking to earn online without upfront costs. Now, how do you actually promote these products without spending a dime? Let's dive into some effective strategies. Social media is your free ticket to success. It's a powerful tool that can reach millions. Share valuable content related to your niche on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Engage with your audience regularly. Integrate your affiliate links naturally within your post or bio. Make sure they add value and don't seem forced. Another powerful free method is blogging. It's a great way to share in-depth knowledge. Create a free blog on platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com. Customize it to reflect your brand. Share your expertise, reviews, and recommendations through engaging blog posts. Make your content informative and helpful. Remember to include your affiliate links within your content. This way, you can monetize your blog effectively. Building your affiliate empire brick by brick is a meticulous process that requires patience and strategy. To truly succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to go beyond the basics and delve into advanced strategies. Firstly, thoroughly research products before promoting them. Understand their features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Your credibility depends on recommending high-quality products that genuinely benefit your audience. This builds trust and long-term loyalty. Secondly, focus on creating valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. This content should be engaging and informative. Think about what your audience wants to know and tailor your content accordingly. Use feedback and analytics to guide your content creation. Don't just hard sell products. Provide genuine value. Offer tips, advice, and insights that your audience can use. Finally, building an engaged audience is crucial. An engaged audience is more likely to trust and act on your recommendations. Interact with your followers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of community. This interaction builds a loyal following. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links, leading to higher conversions and success. Start your affiliate adventure today. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to earn money online without any initial investment. It's a journey that requires passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Choose your niche, find great products, create valuable content, and start building your online empire. The world of affiliate marketing is waiting for you.